Hi, this is Dr. Gill from Everett Spine Rehab. I'd like to take a couple minutes today to talk about why you should see a chiropractor who specializes in auto injuries versus a general chiropractor. Let me ask you this. When you need your tooth pulled, is it a general dentist or an oral surgeon who pulls the tooth? Nowadays, it's almost always an oral surgeon. That's a physician who has taken many years of extra education. So let me ask you this then. Why would you want to see a general chiropractor to treat your injuries sustained in a car accident when you can see someone who has specialized in it for the good part of 20 years? Personally, I can't believe I've been doing this for 20 years. It feels like just yesterday that I graduated from chiropractic college, literally. I've had so much fun in these nearly 2 decades that they've gone by in a blink of an eye. But I also feel that in these 2 decades, my tools have gotten much sharper, my diagnostic abilities have gotten much sharper, and my treatment approaches and techniques have all been mastered to the point where I have patients that come see me from other states for our care. And as far as auto injury rehabilitation is concerned, I believe that my office is one of the most proficient and experienced offices in the entire state of Washington in terms of effectively handling an auto injury case from the beginning to the end. Not only have I gone through extensive training in the diagnosis and treatment of auto injuries, but our doctor of physical therapy, Dr. Charlene Sapita, has also gone through the same training. We're not taught how to handle auto injuries, and work injuries even for that matter, fresh out of school. We're taught how to identify the signs and symptoms and diagnose them and treat them, but not necessarily effectively from A to Z. Handling an auto or a work injury case from the beginning to an end is more than just treating a patient. There's a lot of paperwork, there's a lot of ins and outs that need to be properly filled out by the doctor and documented. The notes by the doctor are critical, time and time again. I have seen doctors literally destroy a patient's case by improperly documenting in their notes. You'll hear that from attorneys as well. And that's what makes total sense to have a team of healthcare professionals who specialize in the handling of auto as well as work injury cases, not only in terms of diagnosis and treatment, but also in terms of documentation. Documentation that your insurance adjusters rely on to determine the necessity of your care. You are getting a highly trained chiropractor and a physical therapist to help diagnose and treat the injuries you sustained in an auto accident or from a work injury from the beginning through the end in the least painful, most efficacious, and effective ways possible. If you would like to learn what we can do for you in helping you heal from your injuries, please call 425-347-8614 and set up a complimentary appointment with either myself or my team of highly trained professionals. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you.